Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use threads on PC. So you have to open your any of your Google browser on your computer. Then you have to search threads and go for this very first link, which is threads.net. So go for this and you can see a page like this here. Then you have to go for your email and password. You have to enter your email and password of your Instagram account because this threads is an extension of Instagram. So you have to enter your email address and password. So this is my email address and password. After that, you have to just go for login, and you can see your this is my threads account. So you can use it from here. You can like it, you can comment, you can do whatever you want. So this is how you can use threads on PC. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.